Good morning and welcome to another video. It's not actually the morning, it is the afternoon, 12:30ish. It is day 3 of Ramadan and I am fasting today, which is so good. I feel really good. My head doesn't hurt today, my stomach doesn't hurt, I just feel normal. I feel like I'm not fasting. I feel like I'm fasting but not fasting, if you know what I mean. Like, I'm not hungry. I don't know what I'm talking about. Maybe I'm getting a bit crazy. For suhoor today, I didn't eat a lot because I didn't want to fill myself up too much, because I know that I have a chance that I'll feel hungry sooner. I don't know if that's with anybody else. I remember in the past when I fast, I can't really eat a big suhoor, so I don't know why I tried to eat porridge and stuff on the first day. Last night I had an apple, 2 dates and 2 glasses of water. So I'm hoping, inshallah, that that will be enough for me today. If not, then, oh well, never mind. Can't do anything about it now. I don't know what I'm going to eat later. I don't know. I'm feeling like a takeaway, but I'm not sure yet. So we'll see what happens. So I must be crazy because I'm making pancakes for the kids for lunch. Basically, I told Lisa that she could have pancakes last night for breakfast, but I didn't wake up with them. So they're going to be having pancakes for lunch. I don't care as long as they eat something, right? So Lisa's helping me make some pancakes. Say hello, Lisa.
Hello, I want to make an Elsa dress.
Yeah.
That is a different one. Because that's a magic dress.
Yeah, Elsa magicked it. This dress that she's wearing, Elsa wears it in Frozen Fever, doesn't she?
Yeah.
Got the activity ready. I printed out 2, one for Isa and one for Elisa, and also got a basket of crayons which they can colour in with. Yes, darling. While they eat the rest of their lunch, I'm going to be tidying up this room. It's all under there and everything, so it's a big mess. So I have come upstairs to pray, and the kids have gone outside for a little while with their dad in the garden. And when the kids are a little bit bored later, that's when we'll do that activity that I set up for them. My fast is going really good, alhamdulillah. My stomach is hurting a little bit, not a lot, like it's just a little bit of hunger, but I'm fine. Like, I'm really good. I haven't got a headache or anything, so I can't complain. So alhamdulillah, today is going really well so far. It's like 1 o'clock, I think now. No, it's actually 2 o'clock. I thought it was 1 o'clock, I don't know why, but it's 2 o'clock. About to pray, and then I'm gonna chill for a little bit on the bed, probably reply to some comments and listen to some Quran, and then that's it. I'm gonna go downstairs and carry on tidying up. I just feel like tidying up never ever ends in this quarantine situation. Anyway, I'm gonna go pray now. So Elisa has joined me and she said she wants to pray with me, so she's put a scarf on. Come here.
Yeah, I'm trying my hair as well.
Come here, show everybody your scarf.
And it looks nice.
It looks beautiful.
Do you want to see the bottom of it? See? Is it nice?
Gorgeous, absolutely beautiful. So me and Elisa are just gonna pray now.
But Mommy, first I need to
I've done most of it. I've just got my son now left, but she just came up at the end. Oh no, we have another little monster. Can never spend too long alone, even if it's just for praying.
Well, after we do it, that's it. Oh, boom. Oh, boom.
Day 3 of the advent calendars. Elisa, are you going to choose yours? Good job. What is it?
Yeah. And number 3, because first 1 and then 2 and then 3.
Yeah, so it's day 3 of Ramadan.
Yay.
And then Issa's is little monkey, but he can have his later because he's downstairs now. Come downstairs now. Their dad's gone to get some groceries and stuff, so we're just going to be doing some of this.
Mommy, I want to use pink colour.
You can use whatever colour you want. Do you know what it says? It says Allah created, which means Allah made the sun. What's this?
The earth.
The earth, yes. And
The moon.
and what are these?
Moon, stars.
Yes, and it says Allah created everything.
Oh,
So do you want to colour them?
yeah.
Very good. Is Eva colouring? Isa's colouring the table. Wow, very good colouring. Look, do this one. In there. Yeah, wow. See how Elisa's getting on. How are you doing, baby girl?
Good.
Oh, let me have a look.
Is that really
That's perfect. I love it.
And these all are going to be red.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, and this part is going to be all pink.
Cool.
Why don't they see all of the things? Is it all cute? Yeah, don't use all of them, please. Use all of them, Mom. Mom, this is set up perfectly, look.
Oh, that is amazing, baby. I love it.
And I did pick it.
Good job. What colour are you going to do the earth?
Blue and yellow and all of the colours that I need.
Okay.
I'll hit the colours.
But this is what happens when we get crayons out around Isa. He just throws them all around the whole... Oh, alhamdulillah. He throws them all the way around the room. They're all on the floor. All the way over here. All the way on this side of the table. He's a little monkey boy. I've just made the kids some cheese and crackers. And oh my gosh, I do not know how I resisted eating one of those. But I did, so all good. Come on then, let's go outside in the garden. I'm going to sit on the grass and they're going to eat this while I just chill. Do you want to sit at the table or on the grass?
On the table.
At the table, come on then.
I don't even want them to.
Here you go. What are you doing? He is very clever, isn't he?
Mom,
I'm really scared that he's going to get me, but look how cute this is.
you're not crazy. Lucky you. Where is crazy?
Isa, you going to have some cheesy crackers? Gonna have some cheese and crackers with Elisa. Look, sit here. Good boy. Good job. You're gonna share, yeah? Mommy's gonna go get you guys some juice, okay? Be careful, Is. And you did. Look at you. You're eating cheese. Because Isa ate all the cheese, but it was clearly both of them. So we're just sitting outside here now. I'm just gonna go on my phone for a little bit just to see what's going on Instagram and YouTube and things, and then we'll probably just play a little bit and then go inside. Really fancy something with lamb today, meat, mutton, I don't even know what kind of meat this is, it's just some kind of meat. I'm going to put it into here. This is where I defrost my meat, put hot water in, put the plug down, and then it just sits in there until I'm ready to cook basically. So that's going to defrost while I sort the rest of this mess out. The kitchen's not too bad, I just need to put a few bits away. So let's do that. The hubby just got back from Morrison's and he bought some bits and pieces that we needed, like Greek style yogurt and some yogurts for the kids, also some cheese and some snacks for the kids because we're running really low on snacks, and some diluted drink as well. So it's a little bit later, it's actually 6:05. I just did Usso and now just chilling on the bed, having a little rest before the kids go to bed. I've just cooked a meat biryani. I didn't film it because I didn't know whether it was going to be a good recipe or not, so if I like it then I will film a recipe video for you, because I honestly just made it up because I did look up loads of recipes but they were all like, you know when you just find really difficult recipes with ingredients you just don't have. They were all like that, so I was like, I'm just gonna make my own type of recipe up with the things that I do have in the house. So that's what I did, and it looks delicious, smells delicious. I don't know if it's gonna taste delicious. But I also made the kids mac and cheese, so they're downstairs eating that now. But yeah, I'm just gonna have a little rest before I have to deal with the kids, putting them to bed and everything. I do feel quite hungry now, I'm not even gonna lie. I'm looking forward to my biryani. Just laying here watching these videos. Oh my god, this is making me so hungry. It's now 7:30. I was just watching vlogs, Umayma Abdul and Zaina Noor's vlogs.
Mom, look at this.
Yeah?
I did it about hurting myself.
Well done. So I was watching their vlogs because they're both Ramadan vlogging, daily vlogging as well. So I was catching up on their vlogs and the kids were being really good downstairs with their dad. But Elisa has put juice on her hair, so she needs to have a quick shower before she goes to bed.
And I already got naked, but
yeah, she has no clothes on. These kids, they just, every time they get a chance, they're just naked. Anyway, going to give her a bath, get her to bed. The biryani has been put in the oven on a very low heat, so by the time it is time to eat iftar, it will be ready.
Bye.
So I'm going to tell you how to make my mojito that I made on my Instagram the other day. Basically got a glass and I've put in a small handful of mint. You can put as much or as little as you like. And then I'm going to put in 1 whole lime. Just going to squeeze all the juice out. Yeah, I could probably do more, but I don't have time. Then I'm getting a tablespoon and I'm going to put in about 1/2 tablespoon of maple syrup just to sweeten it up a little bit. And then I'm going to mush all of that together, mix it really well. Cool. So you want to keep stirring that until all the mint leaves are mushed up. And then I have this little 250ml diet lemonade and I'm just going to pour the whole thing into here. You can add some ice cubes and then I'm going to put this into here and just make it go all the way to the bottom so that I've got that extra bitterness to it. which I like. You don't have to. And there you go. Mojito is all done. This is what I've opened my pasta with. I'm opening it with a date and some almonds inside. My sister also sent these lovely kebabs. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm going to try it right now. They are lovely. I can confirm it. So I'm now going to enjoy my food. I'm going to end the vlog now because I feel like it's a bit of a long one. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.